last class, good morning everyone. In the last class, we are discussing about the lab sessions. Okay, so today also we try to discuss about the lab session. So exercise 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, before going to that, just I try to share my screen. First of all, you please check once whether it is visible to you or not. Okay, I hope all of the members able to see the screen. So now I try to start my session. Okay, in the last class, we are discussing about the lab session. Okay, in that lab session, we are discussing about the syllabus, right? Syllabus. Please try to verify it once. Yeah, yeah, this is the lab syllabus. In the last class, we are discussing about the. In the last class, we are discussing about the creation, altering, dropping of the tables, and inserting rows into the table. Okay, so and we are discussing about the DDL and DML, right? DDL and DML. Okay. Today we try to discuss. Today we try to discuss about. Today we try to discuss about. Yeah. Today we try to discuss about remaining queries. Okay. So I hope all of the members able to see the screen clearly. Okay. So the first exercise is related to the creating, altering, and dropping of the tables and inserting rows into a table. Okay. So by using select command. So these type of queries are discussed, and we are having some pending. So we'll try to cover that first of all. Okay. So just you type the SQL here. So within the search space. So you type the SQL like this, then you can able to see on the screen run SQL command line. Am I right? So when you are open the window like this, then you are able to show the. So we will see the prompt of SQL like this. Okay. So now you here connect system/manager. Okay. So then it will be connected. Okay. So in the last class we are already discussing about the DDL and DML. Right? DDL and DML. Okay. Today we try to discuss about remaining things. So just I try to open one new WordPad for us for practice. Okay, practice. Okay, in the last class we are discussing about. I will try to increase this font size for our comfort. Okay, the last class we are discussing about DDL and DML commands. Am I right? So what are the DDL commands? Create, alter, and drop. So these are related to the DDL commands. Am I right? So in the same way, okay, what are the DML commands? Update, select, insert, and delete. So all these topics are we are already discussed. Okay, today we try to discussing about the DCL commands. So what are the DCL commands? Data control language. Okay, data control language. So I think the name is implies here. So data control. So nothing but here we are using two commands. So one is the grant and another one is the revoke. So what is the purpose of grant? Okay, so grant is this command is used for grant all privileges, okay, to the users. Okay, I think you are already know about this. Just I try to repeat now. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay, revoke. So nothing but removing the permissions, removing the permissions from the users. So these are the purposes of grant and revoke. Okay, so how we are using this? Okay, grant all privileges to username. Okay, So then how we are creating the user? How we are creating the user? Okay, how we are creating the user? Create user, username. Okay, identified by identified by username. Sorry, identified by password. Okay, so this is the way of to creating the users. Okay, this is the way of creating users. Now just to try to creating the user now. Okay, first of all, create user. So what is the username? For example, I want to try to create the username is Raj. Okay, identified by Raj. So what it means? So I'm creating one user. That username is Raj and password is Raj. Okay. So if the user is created, so we need to, okay, we need to give the permissions. Otherwise, he is not able to open the database and creating the tables. Okay. So that's why we need to here so grant all, okay, grant all privileges to what's the username? Raj. Okay. So in this type of way, we will be giving the permissions. Now we try to close this. Okay. Again, we try to log in this one. Okay. So connect. So what's the username? Raj, and the password is Raj. Right. So connected. So he is able to create the tables. Create table name. What's the table name? For example, two. Okay. So S number S name worker of 10. Okay. So table is created. So that means this user can able to create the tables and view the tables. Okay. So that means he is having all permissions. Am I right? So he is having all permissions. So if we want to remove the permissions, if you want to remove the permissions, then again we can log in into the then we can log in into the system slash manager. Now revoke all revoke all privileges from Raj. RIVI this mistake. Okay, revokes access. So now he is not able to again log into the maybe he is login, but he is not able to perform create or maybe insert delete like it. Okay, I hope all of the members able to clear just we are discussing about the comments of grant. Okay, and another one is the revoke. Okay, grant and revoke. Okay, I hope all of the members clear. So we are completing the DDL commands and DDL commands, another one DML commands. Okay, and another one we are completing the DCL commands also. Okay, so now we try to discuss about the TCL commands. Okay, TCL commands. I think the name is implies transaction control language. Is it my voice is clear? Is it my voice is clear? Please respond to chat box. Yeah, thank you. Okay, transaction control language. So that means to controlling the transaction. What is the transaction actually? Can you say anyone please? What is the transaction? Transaction is a list of actions. Okay, transaction is a list of actions. Same like as a program. Okay, transaction same like as a process. Okay, to control the transactions. How we are controlling the transactions? So by using either commit, okay, or maybe we are using rollback, and another one we are using save point. Okay, these commands are used in the transaction control language. Commit means nothing but to saving the changes. So whatever it may be, saving the changes performed by the user. Okay, performed by the user will be so nothing but whatever it may be performed by the user. Those type of changes. So those type of changes are saved by the so next one is the rollback. So nothing but performing undo operation. Okay. So next one save point. We can save the records. Can save the records by the name. Okay, we will try to see. So how we are using this. So first of all, we try to use the okay. Let's clear the screen. Okay, clear the screen. So now first how we are open the all tables from this login. Can you say anyone please respond to chat box? I want to know how many tables are existing now in this particular login. So by which command or which query is used? Respond to chat box. Fast, fast. Have you understood the question? What I'm asking is how many number of tables are existed up to now in this login. So what is the login here? System and menu. If you don't know, no problem. I will tell you this. I will tell you. So maybe you forget about it. Okay. Select star from app. If you are giving the command is like this, then it will be giving. So how many number of tables are existing in this particular login? Okay. So now I try to open some particular thing. So for example, select star from okay, select star from EMP. Okay, some of the things are there. Okay. So now if I'm using commit, so then it will be giving the message commit complete. So what it means so nothing but whatever it may be we are performing the changes. Those are saved here. Okay. So next one, another one is the rollback. Okay. So rollback. So for example, if I want to delete from table M, what's the table M? EMP. Where? So for example, I want to delete Suresh. Okay. I want to delete Suresh. Where? E name equal to Suresh. So two rows deleted. If I want to display select star from EMP, so just I can able to see only two rows, right? So if I don't want this, so then I just use the rollback. Okay, then rollback complete. So that means perform undo operation. Okay, so now select star from EMP. If you see this, so the deleted records, two records, Suresh will be back. Right? So that means in this type of we are using the save point, sorry, rollback and commit. Okay. Now how we are using the save point? Okay. For example, now I want to insert into table name. What's the table name? EMP values. And what are the fields here? So employee number. Okay. Employee number giving 11. And employee name is, for example, Mahesh. Okay. And another one, the salary. Salary, for example, 45,000. Okay, if I'm giving like this on row created, again I try to insert some other one. Okay, for example, this is Harish. Okay, okay, Harish, and the number is 12. Okay, and the salary is 55,000. Okay, now these 2 points. Now these 2 points. Yeah, by using save point, we can save the particular records. Okay. For example, here I'm giving save point for the name. For example, here I'm giving triple G. Okay, save point created. Okay, now I try to uh, try to using the commit co okay comatic okay commit complete okay and for example now again I try to insert some other one for example uh, 13 okay this one is okay this one is Nagesh okay this one is Nagesh salary is 65,000 control created again I'm giving some other one so this one is the 14 and this one is Lokesh okay so this one is 75%. Okay, again I'm using another save point for two four entries so new four entries okay so here I'm giving triple a save point created okay now I try to use the commit okay so now uh, so just I want to display select star gameplay okay okay now if I want to delete if I want to delete up to triple a so what is the save point oh sorry yeah thank you roll back to triple a okay just to try to see now select star from emp okay actually here rollback is not work properly in this version okay don't worry so actually here that last two records will be deleted so we'll try to see later okay I hope all of the members able to clear okay so why I am saying all these commands again so in the exam point of view so how we don't know how to we are elaborating the answer so that's why I'm giving here okay so I hope all of them is clear now. I hope all of them is clear okay so I think you're having clear idea about that DDL commands and TML commands and TCL commands and TCL commands also okay so those are nothing but one is the commit to performing the save changes and rollback how we are using the rollback and how we are using the save point okay up to here so just we are completing the database language okay so I hope all of the members having a clear idea about this so now we try to go to the syllabus okay so now we try to go to the syllabus where is the syllabus? Yeah, this one. Yeah, page number 80. Okay. Uh, okay. So the first exercise is completely completed. So now we try to discuss about the any, all, in, exists, not exists, union, intersect, and accept. Okay. So we try to see now. Okay. So before going to this, so just we try to complete it efficiently today. Just we go for the views, and another one is group by, and group by having and aggregate functions. Third one, we will try to complete that one. Okay. Okay. Exercise 3. Exercise 3. So what's that? The aggregate functions. Okay, and another one, group by and having class, and another one order by. Okay, so just to try to discuss about these things. Okay, so in the case of aggregate functions, these are used for to performing the calculations. These are used for to performing the calculations easily. Okay, so what are that? So those are some count, average, minimum, and maximum. Okay, I think the name is impressed here. Sum is used for to sum the all records. Okay, to sum all the records. Okay, so next one, uh, giving counting, count the number of records. Okay, next one, AVC, performing the average. Okay, so next one, find out the minimum value. Okay, this one, find out the maximum value. Okay, I think you are already know about this. Okay, just I try to repeat. So don't try to feel this about. Okay, so better we try to practice number of times. Then only we are having a clear idea about. Okay, so how we are performing this sum. So here one of the advantage of these functions is all queries, all functions having the same type of syntax. Okay, just to try to change the function only. For example, select sum of cell from EMP. Okay, select sum of cell from EMP. Then it will be some total salaries. If you observe here, so just to try to use the same thing, select sum of cell from EMP. Then it will be some total salary, 34,000, 44,000, 22,000. Okay, I think you are able to observe here. So 3,40,000 total. Okay, so this is the one of the way using this aggregate functions. So in the same way here, just okay, select sum of cell from EMP. Okay, so here just to try to change. Okay, some count of cell. If I'm using count of cell, then it will be written how many number of records are there. Okay, 7 records totally. Okay, so in the same way here, just I'm changing this one. Okay, select sum count average. What is the average salary of for the batch? Okay, 48,571 is the average. Okay, so in the same way here, just I'm changing this one AVG. So I'm giving min. So next it will be giving the minimum salary. What is the minimum salary from this table? So 22,000. Okay, in the same way here I'm giving it will be giving the max salary. So who is having the highest salary? 75,000. For example, if I want to know the name, so who is having the highest salary? Okay, then where e name equals to. Okay, so just you try to combine the two queries here. So first of all, we need name. Am right? Select e name from a cell from EMP where sal equal to here. I'm opening another query. So this type of queries will be referred as a nested queries. Okay, select max of sal from EMP. If you observe one thing, so first of all, you try to observe. So what is the output for this? Select sal from EMP. Then max of sal from EMP. Then it will be find out the max of sal, right? At the same time, so that output will be assigned to the this output. Okay, so first of all, inner query will be executed. Next, outer this inner query result will be added to the outer query. Okay, yeah. If you observe here, e name and salary is there, and it will be giving the name. Okay. In the same way, we can find out the minimum salary of the employee also. How we are find out the minimum salary of the employee? Just we try to change the function. So nothing but here we are combining the two things. I hope all of the members are able to clear. So what is the aggregate functions, right? Okay. Select average, minimum, and count. Okay. So all these functions are we are just discussing now. So now we try to discuss about the group by and having and order by. Okay, first of all, we try to see what is the order by. Okay. Okay. Order by. This command is used for to displaying the records in the order, either in ascending order or descending order. Okay, so we can display either in ascending order or with the descending order. So just you try to see select rename from EMP order by ename. So then it will be display the employee names in the ascending order. Okay, just to try to copy. Okay, so I want to clear this screen, clear screen. Okay, so what is that? Select ename from EMP order by ename. So Ganesh, Harish, Lokesh. So if you observe here, ascending order, right? So I'm not mentioning actual ascending order. So it will be perform default. So operation is ascending order. Okay. So for example, I want to display in the descending order. DESC. Okay. Descending order. Uh, yeah. Okay. Descending order. So Suresh first, Ramesh next, Nagesh, Mahesh, Lokesh. Okay. Harish and the last one is Ganesh. Okay. So in the same way, we can display employee name and salary also. Okay, according to their salary also. So 22,000 is the least. So first name is Suresh. So next 34,000, next 44,000. So that means here, so we can based upon any field. So by using order by we can change it. And in the last class, I'm saying about that order, right? So how we are using the alter, right? So let's start from EMP. Just you try to observe now. Okay, how we are changing the table name first of all. So rename. So what's the old name? EMP to EM. Okay, table is renamed. Okay, in this type of way we are using the rename also. Okay, and another thing here just to try to type now. Maybe So some concept is missing here. So how do you performing the rename old name to new name? Okay. So this is the way for to changing the table name. So how we are changing this one? Say rename emp to em. Then the output is table is okay, actually table rename. Okay. So this is the output. Okay. Please remember this. How we are changing the table. Okay. And we are by using as also we can changing that. Okay. And another thing here, uh, how we are changing the field name. For example, here we are observe here e name is there, sal is there. For example, if I want to change sal, okay, sal to salary, then how I can change? Can you say anyone, please? The last classes we are discussing about this. If you have any idea about that, I will try to discuss. How we are changing, how we are changing the field name sal to salary. Can you say anyone, please? From the employee table. Okay. Sorry, now the table is EM table. Okay. So again, we try to perform rename. So then problem is not there. EM to okay. EM. Okay. Good. Yeah, some of the memories give the reply. Update. No, sorry. 506. Think it once. Can you say anyone, please? How we are changing the field name? Sal to salary. Actually, Sal is there, right? Yeah, alter sir. Very good. So, how we are changing that? Give me reply. We are changing that. Okay, maybe time is wasted here, so I will try to change that. Okay. Maybe all of the members know about this. Just maybe you're forgot about this. Why? Because lack of practice. Okay. So I will try to change this name by using alter. So alter table. What's the table name? EMP. Okay. And here we are modify. Okay. So not modify. Renaming the column. Rename column salary. Okay. I hope all of the numbers clear now. So alter table name, rename column name to new name. Okay. So just to try to copy here and paste. Okay. Table altered. Just to try to select star from EMP. Here up here salary is there. Okay. The same way here, just to try to add on column. So alter table wants table EMP add. So one column, I want to try to add one column, department. What's the data type for this? Marker of 20. Okay. Alter table name, add department worker of 20. Okay. Table is altered. Select star from EMP. I hope all of the numbers clear. Okay. So for example, now I want to update. So all this one. Okay. So actually, what is so many departments are there. Okay. By using update, what's the table name? EMP set DAPT equal to okay, ampersand DAPT where here common thing is so individual is ename, right? Ampersand D. Okay. So what's the department? For example, CSC. So what's the name? Ganesh. So one row is updated. Again, I try to giving the department for the ECA. Okay, so E name is Ramesh. Okay, row is updated as Suresh Mahesh. Okay, department. Again, I try to giving this one. So name is Suresh. Okay, and here I try to giving the ECA for Harish. Okay, and another one is ECA. Okay, name is Nagesh. Okay, just to try to say if I'm leaving anyone or would start from EMP. Okay, so one of the person is there. Okay, yeah, Lokesh is not there. Okay, so here I'm giving CSC Lokesh. Okay, now it just try to see now. Okay, so that means here we are assigned for each and every person. Okay, and here leave one person Mahesh. I think it try to give. So I will give triple A. The name is Mahesh. Zero rows updated. Why? What's the reason? Mahesh. Oh, sorry. Okay, again I tried this one. Triple E Mahesh. Mahesh. Okay. Select star from EMP. Okay. Now all rows will be updated here. So just I try to use commit. So now I try to using the group by. So for example, I want to display the employee names. So according to their branch. Okay. I want to displaying the employees employees according to the so nothing but here. So by using group by, okay, how we are displaying this select e name. Okay, so when we are using the group by, when you are using the group by, remember one thing. So that is you should be use you should be use at least one at least one aggregate, not at least should be using should be using okay should be using one aggregate function. Aggregate function. Can we update multiple columns or rows at a time? Yeah, some of the person is asking the question. Uh, can we update multi columns or rows at a time? When we require multi data in large database sensor, so then you can use the ampersand symbol. So in the last class also I'm saying about that by using ampersand we can. So I think at present also I'm saying I'm just changing in that manner. I'm right. So just I'm using ampersand here. So that's why asking number of times. Okay, so that's why it will be given that. So this is only the chance. So when we are handle the multiple data. Okay. Okay. So for example, so how we are using the group. So just to try to see now, select. Okay. Select branch. Okay. So select department. Select department. Count of department. Okay. From EMP group by. So based on which thing, so department. Okay. So this is my requirement. Just only I want to know how many departments are there. According to that group only, just I want to this. Okay. If you observe here, triple E is 1, CSC is 4, EC is 3. Okay. So in the same way here, just to try to change this the department wise. The same time here we try to giving the name also. Okay. E name department. Okay. E name department group by. So based on e name. If you observe here, count. If you observe the count, so Suresh CSC 2, okay, Mahesh triple E 1. So here we are not able to count according to that one. Why? Because here name is also same. Then it will be performing the count. Okay, so we can change the query. So for example, here e-name and department, here count of department, not count of department, okay, cell or count of cell, okay, dual identifier, okay, count of salary is there, I think, okay. If you observe here, okay, in the type of way we can group with the flexible columns. Okay, I think maybe the time is over, so I will try to just discuss about the group by having also the same thing. The same thing is also maintained for the select DGPT count a department from EMP group by DGPT having sal greater than 20,000, okay, or greater than 30,000. Okay, if you observe here, so we can group the employees, but condition is there. So if the salary is greater than 30,000, then only we can try to group. Okay, just to try to see now, clear the screen. Okay, group expression. So I please just wait 1 minute. Group by having them, right? Group by having this, the having. Just to try to see the example. Having count of customer ID. Okay, just to try to use here also. Uh, Having count of salary greater than 1. Using right parenthesis. Select department count of department from EMP group by department having. Okay, here we try to give another one. Here we try to give count of cell, and here also we try to give that. We try to give this salary right parenthesis. Here actually we are not open extra one. Count of salary. Okay, we will try to discuss about this tomorrow. So we'll continue. Okay. I think maybe time is exit now. So that's why I'm closing this session. You don't worry about this. Okay, we will try to continue in the next class. So when we are handling with a group and group by having, just to you remember this. So you should be using the aggregate. Okay, we'll try to discuss tomorrow. Don't worry about that. And tomorrow session we will try to. I think today we are completing the third one. So just we are having the pending only two and four. Okay. So we will discuss in the next class. If you're having any type of the doubts, you can contact me personally. At present, I'm closing the class. Okay. And all of the members, I hope all of the members already sent the assignment to my mail. Okay. Please don't delay. Don't try to lose your marks. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. Take care.